I got a puddle where puddles don't belong. Oh!
Connected.
Okay guys, this is what you do. Pretty heavy thunderstorm. I thought it would wait a little bit. Then maybe it'll calm down because there's hail in the area, tornado warnings, and here I am with the bike. So what you do, take a Ziploc bag and I put my wallet and extra money, keys from my Jeep, put them stuff in a plastic bag and put them in my pocket here. So at least they won't get wet. I don't mind getting wet so bad on the way home. I don't want to get hit by lightning. I see some lightning once in a while. So you can see the water dumping out all these dumps here on the gutter. Here we go. I'm dreaming of deep sea fishing. Here goes old Woodsman. He's got a deep sea look in his eye. Oh, that water's cold. I know you bike riders know what I'm talking about. What the heck's this mail truck doing? Kind of slowed down a little bit. Ooh, I've seen some lightning. Lighting up the sky. There goes another one. Oh, it's raining up here. I can see it coming down. It's going down my back. I got a puddle where puddles don't belong. Oh! There's one thing cool about that stock big old mud flap back there. If you got a tail tidy on, all that water goes right up your back. So with that on, it actually does work. There's a purpose in it. It may look stupid, but there's a purpose in it. So I got this camera here going, of course, but I got this Viofo front and rear, this dash cam going. So if anything happens, I can see behind me and in front. Pretty cool to have one of these on. I also got a dash cam on my CRF300L, and I wouldn't want to have one without one. I wouldn't want a bike now without one on it. It's just good security to have the thing, because you never know when something's going to happen. You've always got a camera on recording. Turn the key on, it starts recording, and just loop records the whole time you're riding. And then if I want to save a video like right now, push that record button, and now you see it blinking. It's going to record a video of like maybe 20 seconds before I push that button to 40 seconds after I push the button. If you want to record another one, just push the button again. So really cool. Because you never know when something's going to happen that you want to catch on film, or if somebody does something insurance purposes, you might need a video of somebody rear ends you or hits you, and you got proof right there. So this is from Black Box My Car. I'll post a link below. And I really wasn't even making this video about the Viofo, but I just thought, hey, I'll mention it because it's a good time to do it. So Black Box My Car has all the good stuff there. I mean, all the dash cams. And if you use my code below, you get 5% off. So anyway, I was saying not my code, but if you use my link below, my affiliate link, then you'll get 5% off of this dash cam or any of the dash cams like I have on my Jeep. Even the Thinkware M1 that I have on my CRF300L. I can post that link below too, so you can check them out. See that popo back there? He's probably thinking that guy is nuts. Don't cut across in front of me. Don't tread on me. I think he just pulled over to let me in front because he can't believe I'm out here on the motorcycle. He's like, let's follow this guy. He's going to crash. Look at all this debris blowed down the road. Evidently been getting with it a little bit. Flood warnings, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings out like crazy right here in this area right now. And it's just little old me trying to make it home. Look at the water right there. You gotta stay out of that. Stay on the part where you can see the asphalt, not the water, because you could hydroplane. I've not had a problem with the DUALSPORT hydroplaning, but it could happen. I think these big knobby tires help a lot. You know, not riding on top of it. You got room for the water to travel through the tread. I get home, my wife will be waiting to open that garage door for me. I guarantee you that. She's a good woman. She'll open the garage door for me, have me a glass of tea fixed, and fix my supper. Look at them cows. Well, at least I haven't got no hail yet. They said it was hailing over this way, but I haven't seen any yet. And that's a good thing. The rain hurts bad enough if you ever rode without gloves on or without a jacket and the rain hits you. Stings like being poked with a bunch of needles. I couldn't imagine ever being in hail. I never have. But I couldn't imagine that. That would have to be painful. So I was going to make a little riding video and go some back roads, but so much for that. I think I'm just heading on home. See if it's flooding down in the holler. It's coming across the road right here. A little bit. There was quite a bit of water right there. That's what I'm saying. I've never hydroplaned, hit in deep water like that, but don't push your luck. See, it's running across right here pretty good. Nah, I just got wet feet. Extremely wet feet. And these shoes are waterproof, but not when it comes in the top. Whoa. $300L's getting a bath. Actually, it's getting dirty because I keep my bike clean. This is just making it dirty. What I usually do is I get home and she'll open the door, so I'll put it inside. But usually I'll pull up outside, take the hose and rinse it off, just to get all the road grime dirt off of it, and then pull it inside. But I think we'll probably just pull it inside today. Splash! Oh, I see water running down there in that little bottom right there. See if it's running down here. Oh, it's rolling, but it ain't flooding out of its banks, it don't look like. Yeah, it's rolling pretty good, but it's not flooding out of its banks yet. Oh, it's rolling right there pretty good. The further it goes down, the more hollers run into it, so the deeper it gets. Guess I better check this mail again like I did the other day. And he probably ain't ran yet. Oh, I got a package. Uh-oh, some racing group. Ain't no telling, man. Got some parts. Pieces and parts. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all watching and commenting so much. Please comment below if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Sign up on YouTube so you can subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. Catch you on the next one if I don't lose all my mail. Right on. Well, I gotta get this out of here. Show it up on the Gladiator. And then back this thing right in there by the 250L. The reverse ain't very good on this thing. Like that. Right on, guys.